M and a Vietnam hot investment channel. In recent years, foreign investors spent approximately $3 billion to buy shares in more than 3,000 enterprises in Vietnam, in which most of them purchased over 50% of the shares. It indicates that investment trends through the model of merger and acquisition, MA, are booming strongly in the market. According to the report from the Foreign Investment Department under the Ministry of Planning and Investment, from July 1, 2015 to July 1, 2016, there were 3,141 companies in Vietnam are acquired by foreign investors in the form of buying shares. The total value of those deals is $2,948 billion. This is the first time the Foreign Investment Department showed the statistics on foreign investment flows into Vietnam through MA activities. It shows that the trend of investment into Vietnam through MA is increasing greatly. As reported by the IMAA, a foreign research institute on MA, the total value of MA in Vietnam in 2015 reached $4.3 billion, 40% higher than in 2014, and surpassing the record level of $4.2 billion in 2012. It is expected that the value of MA deals in Vietnam in 2016 is likely to break the record of 2015 and reach $6 billion. Many analysts are predicting that the food, logistics, retail and real estate industries will still be targeted by foreign investors. The main reason is that the potential of Vietnamese consumers is growing due to young population and growing economy. Among more than 3,000 MA deals that are statistically by Foreign Investment Department, there were 1,894 deals valued at $1.8 billion that are invested by foreign investors to hold dominant share of over 50%. It means more than half of MA deals in the past year are made with long-term investment objectives. There has been more active involvement of the private equity fund, PE. Previously, if the PE funds often take part in the purchase of shares, which is not dominant, but now, the PE fund is ready to invest at a higher percentage to increase profit and reduce competition. In addition, the increase in ownership percentage will also help to increase the PE fund's intervention in business activities of enterprises to create surplus value. When the inflow of foreign investment into Vietnam through MA increases, it will create opportunities for domestic enterprises to mobilize capital, improve enterprise management skills and competitiveness. One of the examples is the case that Vietnam Airlines sold 8.8% of shares to ANA Holding, the largest airline corporation in Japan. In fact, many other businesses also consider MA as an effective channel for capital mobilization. Therefore, after the Vietnam government allowed to increase the percentage of capital held by foreign investors at the company listing on the stock market to 100%, many companies have decided to open room to welcome this new capital flows. Many examples are Hoan Quan Real Estate Company, Thu Duc Housing, and Fat Plastic and TNG Garment. Even Vinamilk, one of the most successful dairy enterprises in Vietnam, also have to think about loosening room to 100% to attract foreign investment through MA activities.